Hello there. Let's talk about how to create Douyin account outside of China. Now let's understand first the difference. So Douyin that would be for users in mainland China. TikTok will be the outside of China. Basically Douyin will be the counterpart of TikTok for the China government. Next up, download the Douyin application. This should be available on the Chinese App Store, iOS and Android, or via APK download sites for Android devices. Now the App Store region we may need to be switched to China to download it officially. So the trick here would be changing your location on your App Store. Next up, after downloading that one, register to an account. Open a Douyin application, tap sign up, and register with a Chinese mobile number. That is going to be mandatory or preferred. Or sometimes with a third options like WeChat or Weibo accounts. Now Douyin really accept foreign phone numbers. Next up, for use of China phone numbers, best way to register with a Chinese SIM card. Some online services will sell virtual Chinese numbers, but they can be unreliable and may violate Douyin's terms of services. Next up, you should consider the language barrier. Now, Douyin is entirely in Chinese. No English interface available in 2025.